welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be going over my cleaning schedule with you. So this is what I like to try to do on a daily and weekly basis. And it's something that I've been doing for a while now. Now that Lydia is 15 months old, she is all over the place. So my time to actually get cleaning done has definitely shortened to where I either wake up before her, or I do it when she sleeps, when she naps during the day, or when she goes to bed at night. And that's basically how I have it broken up here. So I have my mornings, my evenings, and then my weekly task I do when she's napping if we're at home. If not, I'll find another time during the day to do it. Of course, this is just what I try to do. It's not always what actually happens because, you know, real life gets in the way. So what I like to do is in the mornings, I'll wake up and I'll make the bed and declutter the bedrooms and bathroom. And with that, I'll take any cups that we brought in the night before or off the nightstand. I'll take those to the kitchen. Any clothes that end up on the floor rather than in the laundry hamper, I'll make sure those get to where they need to be. Things along those lines to make sure that our bedroom stays put together throughout the day. Then in the evenings, this is what I do when Lydia goes to bed. So she's in bed by 8-ish. And so after that, I like to declutter the living area. So I'll pick up all of her toys, put them in her little living room toy box. And then I'll do a quick sweep in the kitchen and living room. Definitely just noticed that that is a H, not, okay. So a quick sweep in the kitchen and living room. And then I'll also clean the kitchen from dinner and prepare my husband's lunch for the next day. Okay, so for my weekly chores, I do those generally when Lydia takes a nap, and she's currently on one nap a day. So she'll nap from around 11 to 1 every day. So when that happens on Mondays, I like to take care of the floor. So I'll either vacuum or mop. The vacuum does wake her up. So I wait, and her room is currently the only room with a rug. I'm still on the hunt for rugs for the other rooms because we have hardwood throughout. So because of that, during her evening routine on Mondays, my husband starts the evening routine with giving her a bath. So when she's in the bath, that's generally when I vacuum because that way the sound of the vacuum won't bother her. Other than that, when she's napping, I'll mop all the floors. On Tuesdays, I like to dust everything and I'll clean the windows. So when I say dust everything, I mean I dust the fans and the blinds, all surfaces, things like that. We have a long-haired cat and a short-haired dog, and things just get super, super dusty in our house. So on Wednesdays, I like to do the bathrooms, and I'll do bathrooms top to bottom on Wednesdays. Lydia naps for 2 hours. That gives me plenty of time to get everything done in there, wipe down counters, take out trash, clean the toilet, clean the floors, wipe down the mirror, clean the showers and the sinks, all of that. On Thursdays, I like to clean out the food in the fridge and the pantry and the freezer, make sure we don't have anything that's gone bad, see what we have that is going to go bad soon that we need to go ahead and use. And that's when I'll go ahead and meal plan for the next week. So I am following Jordan Page's Shelf Timber Challenge. And her blog is Fun, Cheaper, Free. And if you haven't checked it out, I highly recommend it. So basically what Shelf Timber is that's meal planning, but starting with what you have in your own home first. So instead of going on Pinterest or things like that and finding recipes you like and then going to the store and buying all the ingredients for it, you start with what you already have. So you make a list of everything you have in the pantry, the fridge, or the freezer, and from there you create meals for the week, and then you go out and buy the extra ingredients you need. So Thursday is my day all for food. I don't actually do meal prepping on this day, but I do meal planning, and I'll run to the grocery store as well. So Fridays, I like to clean the laundry room and pet area. Like I said, we have a dog and a cat, so we keep all of their stuff, like the litter box, all the food, beds, everything over in the laundry area or the laundry room. And so I like to go ahead and clean all of that. I do the litter box twice a week. I'll generally do it on like Tuesdays or maybe Monday, but I also do it on Friday when I clean that whole area. That's also when I empty out anything that's in their food and water bowls, and I'll go ahead and wash those out as well. Saturdays I like to leave open so that I don't take up any family time with trying to do any sort of cleaning or whatever. Of course, I still do my daily cleaning, but I don't have any like specific cleaning thing while Lydia naps, because on Saturdays when Lydia naps, that's my chance to hang out with my husband a bit more. And then on Sundays we have laundry. So I like to try to keep laundry all in one day. That doesn't always happen, but that's what I definitely try to do. I will do my husband's work clothes. They're so bulky, and he has so many of them, and obviously he wears them every day. So I will do one other load of those earlier in the week to make sure that he constantly has clean work clothes. But for the most part, I try to keep laundry on Sunday. So now I want to show you how I schedule it in my agenda. So I'm absolutely obsessed with this agenda. I found it at Hobby Lobby. It is just absolutely adorable. I mean, look how cute that is. It has little eyelashes and it's just perfect. So I also found these cute little stickers. They actually break them up by month, and they're all themed and adorable. I found those at Hobby Lobby also. They're both under the brand LOL, and it's like this, the LOL, which I thought was adorable and super creative. Okay, so this week is a few weeks from now, so I wanted to take one that wasn't already cluttered with things that we have going on so that we could focus just on the cleaning. And this is how I like to schedule it all out. So I do put it in my agenda just because I look at my agenda every morning when I start the day, and it's a nice little reminder like, oh yeah, I can't forget to do that. So these little stickers I got from a set at Michael's, and this is what the sheet looks like. It has like 5 or 6 sheets that all look the exact same, which I love because that means you get plenty of all of the different stickers. So this is the exact same thing that I just showed you, but I only put the weekly tasks in here. So I've got my vacuum and mopping, my dusting, my bathrooms, my meal plan, my laundry room, and then doing laundry. So this just makes it a little bit easier for me to actually see. Sometimes looking at the full cleaning schedule gets a little overwhelming for me. And then I do also have a list of things that I do monthly and yearly. And if you would like to see that, please leave that down in the comments below. I would love to make a video on that for you. I do also have a clean with me video that I filmed that will be coming your way very soon. And it's just a simple 10-minute tidy up what I do before we have guests come over last minute. So that is it for my cleaning schedule. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped you out and maybe made some sense to you, and it will help you figure out a cleaning schedule that works best for you. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe if you're not already, and I will talk to you in the next video. Have a great day.